Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, specs, and features from around the world. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the 2025 Volvo S90, one of the most luxurious sedans that Volvo has ever produced. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking to purchase a luxury sedan, this review will give you an in-depth look at everything this impressive vehicle has to offer. The 2025 Volvo S90 is an elegant and sophisticated luxury sedan that continues to set high standards in its class. Volvo has long been known for its commitment to safety, innovative technology, and Scandinavian design, and the S90 is no exception. The design philosophy of this sedan is all about clean lines, minimalism, and an understated yet sophisticated presence. The exterior of the 2025 S90 reflects this design ethos perfectly, featuring a sleek and aerodynamic shape. The front grille, which prominently displays Volvo's logo, is flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car a modern and dynamic look. The side profile is smooth and refined, with flowing lines that create a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. From every angle, the 2025 S90 exudes a sense of luxury and class. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Volvo S90 continues to impress with its high-quality materials and spacious design. The interior is a true reflection of Volvo's Scandinavian roots, with a focus on simplicity and functionality. The dashboard features a clean, uncluttered design, and the centerpiece is the large, vertically oriented touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions. The materials used in the interior are of the highest quality, including soft leather upholstery, natural wood accents, and brushed metal trim. There's plenty of space for both front and rear passengers, with the rear seats offering a particularly generous amount of legroom, making this a perfect choice for those who often have passengers in the back. As for the technology inside the 2025 Volvo S90, it's loaded with the latest features to ensure comfort, convenience, and connectivity. The infotainment system is powered by Volvo's Sensus Connect, which provides easy access to navigation, music, phone calls, and more. The system is intuitive and user-friendly, with voice recognition capabilities and smartphone integration. The 2025 S90 also features a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio for an immersive driving experience. Additionally, the car is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Volvo S90 offers a variety of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which delivers a solid balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those who want a bit more performance, there's an available mild hybrid powertrain, which combines the 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor for added power and improved fuel economy. The S90 also offers a plug-in hybrid option for those who are looking to reduce their carbon footprint and take advantage of electric-only driving. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Volvo S90 offers a smooth and comfortable ride. The suspension system is finely tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and handling, making it ideal for long highway cruises as well as more spirited driving on twisty roads. The steering is precise, and the car feels planted and stable at high speeds. While it's not a performance-oriented sedan in the traditional sense, the S90 offers plenty of driving pleasure without sacrificing comfort. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in the 2025 S90, which comes with a host of standard and available safety features. The car is equipped with the latest version of Volvo's Pilot Assist, a semi-autonomous driving system that helps with steering, acceleration, and braking in certain driving conditions. The S90 also features a robust suite of passive safety features, including front and side airbags, whiplash protection, and a reinforced safety gauge. In addition, the car is equipped with Volvo's City Safety System, which can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles and can automatically apply the brakes to prevent a collision. As for the fuel economy, the 2025 Volvo S90 delivers competitive figures for its class, with the hybrid models offering the best fuel efficiency. The plug-in hybrid version is particularly impressive, offering the ability to drive for short distances on electric power alone, which can help reduce fuel consumption and emissions. The hybrid models also come with regenerative braking, which captures energy during braking and stores it in the battery for later use, further improving overall efficiency. The pricing for the 2025 Volvo S90 varies depending on the trim and options you choose. The base model is priced competitively for a luxury sedan, while the higher trims and hybrid models can go up in price, especially when additional options and packages are added. Regardless of the trim level, however, the 2025 S90 offers excellent value for the luxury and technology it provides. When comparing the 2025 Volvo S90 to other luxury sedans in its class, such as the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the Volvo stands out for its emphasis on safety, comfort, and Scandinavian design. While some of its competitors may offer more powerful engines or sportier handling, the S90 excels in creating a serene, comfortable, and safe driving experience. The S90 also has the added benefit of being one of the few luxury sedans that offers a plug-in hybrid powertrain, making it a great option for those who want to reduce their environmental impact. In conclusion, the 2025 Volvo S90 is an exceptional luxury sedan that offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, technology, and safety. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a refined and sophisticated vehicle that delivers a premium driving experience without compromising on practicality. Whether you're after a car that's packed with cutting-edge technology, or one that offers a serene, comfortable ride, the 2025 S90 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our review of the 2025 Volvo S90. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with more car reviews, specs, and features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.